unbox with me my new blender, my new Ninja Detect Power Blender plus Processor Pro. Guys, I did my research. You need this. If you like me, you like to cook and bake, you have a small kitchen like me, this is what you need. A all-in-one, that's the way to go. And you get out of here. I saved you time. I opened the thing. She's heavy, aesthetically pleasing. She's staying on my countertop. I don't have room for it, but she's staying. This thing, guys, can automatically adjust your time and speed for a perfect smoothie, a professional one. They got me those books, those recipe. Comment down below if you want to see me do some cocktails. She got you covered from all the frozen drink, the extraction, smoothie bowl, peanut butter, salsa. I'm telling you, the cookie dough, sliding your veggie. Guys, let's try. That fits perfect. I'm excited. The cap is good, perfect, but the plastic though, I don't like the plastic. Other than that, they good. I love them. And then this one is, if you like baking, sliding, doing crazy like I do, this is your mixer. You just put everything in her. She can hold 2 pounds of dough. Today I'm gonna need this for my African dish. So let's clean this big boy. Get her together. I'm doing my cassava leaf, so I'm gonna need this. This one can recalibrate everything and tell you if you need more water, less water, or no water. You can go manual, or you can try to set up like I'm trying to do. I need to learn more. I never had anything like that before. I need to learn more. It's easy. I feel like it's easy, but I need to learn more so I can use it better. I can enjoy it better. Ooh, guys, go in my bio, get you one of these. She's powerful. It took a second. You don't need to hold your hand like I did. Okay, let me prep my onion and my garlic, my green onion, all the stuff I need for my African dish, my pondu. If you know, you know. This is so fancy. I don't deserve this. Guys, go in my bio. I'm excited. I am. Make my life easier.